Health tip of the week. Did you know that exposure to excessive loud noises can impair your hearing? Noise-induced hearing loss is a hearing disorder characterized by a gradual, progressive loss of high-frequency hearing sensitivity over time as a result of exposure to excessive noise levels. The damage takes place gradually and may not be obvious until it's late. It's estimated that up to 12.5% of kids between the ages of 6 and 19 have hearing loss as a result of listening to loud music, particularly through earbuds at unsafe volumes. Ask yourself, are you having trouble hearing other people's voices clearly? Do you often have to ask people to repeat themselves? Does your family often have to ask you to turn the volume down on the TV? Do friends and family say that you don't seem to hear very well? Or do you often find yourself missing jokes or parts of conversations? If so, you might need to undergo hearing assessment. Avoid loud noise, protect your hearing. Proverbs 20 verse 12. Ears that hear and eyes that see, the Lord has made them both. That was the health tip of the week, brought to you by the First Aid and Physical Wellness Ministry, CITAM Eldoret.